Hello guys, I just want to share how I set my ortho when I am doing an AutoCAD drawing. So when I am doing any AutoCAD drawing, so I always set the AutoCAD settings on ortho mode, so that is simply F8 ortho on. Okay, for example, we are going to make any drawing, and we are going to apply a command. For example, we are going to copy this rectangle. So copy, so it's always on the ortho. What is more convenient when having a plan? It is always on straight lines, right? How about when we need to deactivate the ortho? For example, we are going to make a command without a straight line, not using a straight line. So it is simply using your shift. It is simply using your left hand. Use your smallest finger. Okay. So, for example, I will copy this, and then let's make this one. Copy. Okay, so if you notice, it is no longer in auto mode. So what did I do? I just press shift with my left hand using my smallest finger. Okay. So again, it is still in auto, but if we need to deactivate the auto, we just need to press shift using the left hand map on the keyboard. Okay, so now I can simply make drawing using this one. Okay, so very easy. Now after I have released my fingers from the shift button, so I am simply back in the ortho mode. Okay, straight line. It's again moving on the straight line. Okay, simple as that. Now it is the same for the other way around. For example, if you are comfortable not using the straight line, for example, you want to move or make a drawing not on the straight lines or directions, you just need to press F8. Okay, look for ortho off. So just click F8 if you want to turn the ortho, and then another F8 again for if you want to turn off the ortho. So now if you want to turn off the ortho, let's press F8. That is in ortho off. So you are no longer on the straight lines or straight directions. But if you want to move on the straight lines, if you need to be on the straight direction, just need to press shift with your left hand using your smallest finger. Okay, like this one. Okay, and then if you release the shift button, you will be back and also off. So you will no longer be on the straight line in straight direction. Okay? Like this one. Also, if we make some lines, it's not in ortho, but if we press shift, that will be in ortho. That will be on the straight line. Okay. Now, I highly recommend if you are making a drawing, for example, a line, always be on the ortho on. So you are already on the straight line. Now, if you need to get out from this straight direction, again, just press shift with your left hand and you're no longer in ortho on. Okay? Like this. Alright? Then if you need to get back to the straight line or straight direction, just release the shift with your left hand also. And then you are back on the straight mode. That's it. In this way, you don't have to press F8 on the keyboard every time you need to shift from straight line to diagonal or any direction, which is quite far from the other key. You just need to press shift, and that will be a lot easier when you're making a drawing. Thank you so much for watching.